On today's video, we're going to review and give first impressions on Force USA's light commercial flat bench. This was recommended by Garage Gym Reviews with Coop, and today we're going to do a assembly and first impressions video on it. So stay tuned and yeah, let's get to work. All right, so first impressions out of the box, number one, the box was pretty light. I was a little surprised by that, though again, it is the light commercial flat bench. Number two, everything was very well organized and packaged, so that instills some trust in me that Force cares about how their packages are delivered to their customers. Very happy with that. Everything came pre-organized and pre-packaged, right? You get all the bolts and which bolts they are and where they go, already pre-listed. Everything was separated and in, again, great condition when it arrived. Really appreciate that. The couple other things you're gonna need, in order to assemble this, you are gonna need an adjustable wrench. And it does come with an Allen wrench, so you should be fine if you have an adjustable wrench or the wrench that actually has the size attachment for the nuts. Yeah, overall, so far, impressed. We'll see how it assembles and how it feels once I get it assembled, because the feel of it is the most important part. Do I feel secure when I'm using it? Does it lay flat when I'm using it? Does it feel right on my shoulder blades? Because most commercial gym benches are very uncomfortable on your shoulder blades. So the feel is the most important part. So once I get it assembled, then we can talk about it. And today, you're gonna see something that you probably won't normally see, and that is a guy using an instruction manual. My whole rule of thumb is, if they didn't want you to use it, why would they put it in the box? And number two, unless you're comfortable already assembling benches, it's nice to learn something. So following directions and the right way to assemble a bench is important, I think. So I'm gonna use the instruction manual today, simply because I enjoy learning and it's something I enjoy doing. And then once I put this together, I'll probably never need to use an instruction manual again in the assembly of a bench. So at that point, once I learn it once, I'm good. And then I'll probably throw this away. So something unique you'll probably see in this video. Just want to offer a quick side note. Screwing in these bolts with the Allen wrench into this top hole right here, pain in the ass. Number one, can't see the hole. Number two, no magnetic on the Allen wrench or the screw or bolt. And yeah, would recommend. Pain in the ass. Now that we've got the bench assembled, now it comes for first impressions. So, first thing I noticed when I was placing this was that it rocks just a little bit, and that might be because the platform maybe isn't level, but once you get on the bench, there is no rock. Plenty of room for you to tuck your legs in underneath. It feels comfortable. The bench is tacky enough to where, you know, you don't slide right off. It's got some actual grip to it, which is nice, especially if you're benching, you know, pretty heavy weight. The rollers on this are nice. The wheels are great. Moving it is easy. The handle fits comfortably in your hand. It's lightweight. It's not heavy at all, and it feels good. It feels solid. It feels like it's good quality. It feels like Force has put some time and effort into designing a bench that is affordable, that is durable, that is stable, that's safe, most importantly. And you know, if you get just a few reps in here on the bench, again, it feels really freaking nice. And overall, I think that's great. Good work, Force.